come to the next part, that what are the theories which you are going to know right now. What are the theories through which we can explain about the formation of the planets? The early theories of the planetary formation. The theories through which we can learn about the formation of the planet. In the study of planetary formation, early scientists primarily focused on the origins of Earth, because as a planet we can understand about Earth first of all and the other planets rather than the entire universe. The Milky Way galaxy, we have this. So without Milky Way galaxy we have a lot of galaxies, and among the galaxies we have a lot of stars, planets, different things, the different objects. So two main theories are emerging for this early theories. The first one is nebular hypothesis and the second one is binary theories or binary hypothesis. Before starting from this part, I am going to give you some points for this binary hypothesis, for the nebular hypothesis. Actually, the nebular hypothesis states that a large cloud of gas and the dust, which is called nebula. What is nebula? The gas plus the cloud. Okay, that is they termed as nebula. So it collapsed under its own gravity to form our sun and planet. That means nebular hypothesis is related to the discovery of sun and planet. So four different main components are there for this theory. So one by one, if I would like to write over there. The first part is a rotating disk. The first part is a rotating disk. Second part is gravitational pull or gravitational collapse. Gravitational collapse or pull, I can write. Third one is accretion. Just now I have already written over there. The theory is related to accretion. And the fourth one is planetesimals. Planetesimals. So these were four components or compounds of nebular hypothesis. Right now we are going to learn this theory as well. First, what is written? Initially proposed by this person, name is very important, Immanuel Kant. A lot of questions, short notes, MCQs can come from this part. Immanuel Kant, he was the person who proposed this hypothesis, and later it was revised by Laplace or Laplace. And this theory suggests that the planets formed from a spinning cloud of material, primarily which was the component hydrogen and helium around a young sun, and this process involved particles colliding and sticking together, known as the accretion. So from here we have got the definition also about the accretion. What is accretion? Accretion is the process through which the particles can involve with each other and they are colliding and sticking together. That process is called accretion. All of you understood, I think, that the process which involved the particles colliding and sticking together, it's known as accretion. So this four condition which I have written over there, you please see the nebular hypothesis definition or the explanation of this theory. The same thing is written. So point wise, if you want to read and learn or memorize, that you can do. Come to the next part, which is binary theories. Binary theories, how it's related. As per the binary theory, a star hits the sun, causing the materials to get disjoined from the sun, and this is one of the widely accepted theories stating the origin and revolution of Earth. So who proposed this theory? First we are going to know about Chamberlain and Moulton. These two persons jointly made this theory, binary theory, Chamberlain and Moulton, and later supported by Jeans and Jeffrey. And this theory is considered that the star passing close to the sun caused a piece of sun's material to break. Just now which I said that the sun hits the star or the sun hits the sun and causing the materials to get disjoined from the sun. The same thing is written in a different language. And which forms a cigar-shaped cloud, cloud. And this material eventually formed into the planets. These clouds, when it's break down into different pieces, then it make as a planet which continued the orbiting of the sun. So these two theories are there, which some of the other theories are also there, but these were the earliest theories or the hypothesis which the different scientists made for us. So come to the short pointers for revision, what we have learned from these two theories. In a summary, we are going to know about it. The first, we have learned the focus of early scientists. Yes, their focus was Earth and the formation of planets, not the whole universe. Yes, their full focus was only the sun, stars and Earth and other planets. Come to the next point, nebular hypothesis. Who made this? Kant and Laplace's idea, and by Otto Schmidt and Carl Wieserker. It was redefined. Binary theories, who made it? Chamberlain and Moulton's concept in the year of 1900, but later it was supported by Jeans and Jeffreys. After that, both the theories involve materials forming around the sun and it gradually developing into the planets. First, they were including the discussion of sun, but gradually it was developed into the planets formation and their theories. What is written about the real life case study or the examples? So it illustrates that the nebular hypothesis is our own solar system. Nebular, that means I just now said the gas and dust particles when it meets together. So it's related to our solar system. The observations of the sun and the planets support the idea which they formed from a cloud of gas and dust. Just now we have learned, and this is the evidence by the similar composition of the sun and the planet, which was hydrogen and helium, and as well as the orderly motion of the planets. Orderly motion, that means according to the distance, like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, that kind of thing is called orderly motion of the planets in the same direction around the sun. All the without Earth, all the planets are moving around the sun from west to east. So there is written the same direction around the sun, indicating a common origin from a spinning nebular cloud, because just now we have learned from this nebula all the planets along with the sun was made in our universe.